over to the right, Mom, for a minute. Stop. Move over to the right. Mom, just go to the right for just a minute. Now do your cruise dance. Yeah, you made it.
All right, crew, we're going to be doing a tour of our room E323. This is on deck 8. So this is what it looks like when you first walk in. We do have a small balcony room. Right here behind the bathroom door is your closet space area. Some people will be like, oh, it's not closed in, blah, blah, blah. Get over it. It's a place to put your stuff, and it's okay. There's your safe in there, easy instructions on how to use it. Some space in there for shoes or whatnots. You do have some hangers in there to use. Overhead space, that's also where your life jackets are at. D is on there because that's our muster station. Here is the restroom. Some people would look at it and say, this is too tiny. Get over yourself, Karen. This is totally doable. We're excited to be here. And this is our shower and the bathroom there. So when you come out, you go this way. You got this nice big bed right here. There are individual lights on either side of the bed with their own individual light switches. You do have some little cupboard space down there to put, clothes, undergarments, things of that nature. You got a little sitting area over here. Little table. This thing looks like, I thought maybe it came apart, but it doesn't. You got a little vanity or desk area right here. We do have elite status, so the mini bar is included. Mini fridge. You've got an assortment of different beverages in there. Hair dryer, which I do not need. And then you also have this nice big screen TV right here. But then out here you have what is called a partial obstructed view balcony. So it's not that big a deal, folks. In a segment that we'll do later on is an individual video of its own. We'll go through the pros and cons of having a balcony that has the partially obstructed view. In my case, I'm thinking, hey, if something goes south here, we'd be the first ones to get on this lifeboat. Probably not really, but anyways, we're going to go over the pros and cons with you in another video that will be just specifically for the pros and cons of an obstructed view balcony. We are still in port here at Galveston, and we're supposed to set out. Sail away is scheduled at 3 o'clock, and right now it is 1:30. So that concludes the tour of our partially obstructed view balcony, E323. Nice artwork too, by the way. So our horn was to the theme of Love Boat because, well, Princess Cruises is were the ships that were used for the TV show The Love Boat. So I was trying to catch that before it's finished. So it sounds like they are giving the signal and we're getting ready to take off from port. And we'll see y'all later. Well, we're leaving. We're going past the MSC Seascape, and then Harmony of the Seas is right on down there.
Disney Magic was behind us.
Yeah, it was. We can't see it now, though, can we? Well, it's a big old ship, too.
That is a big old ship. There's 19 decks on this ship.
On this one we're on?
Yeah, 17
Mercy.
and then an extra on top. Yeah. Oh, they're waving again.
Yay! Hi there. How are you? There we go. The Love Boat. Hi, everybody. We're on the Love Boat. Isn't it cool? There. That's awesome, man.
Look at all those people on that balcony.
Yeah, buddy.
I like that ship too.
Yeah, we sailed on that ship 2 years ago on Harmony of the Seas. It was a good time.
I want you to show them something. This must be a big group of people. They've got all the walls down. This is one big balcony all the way across.
Oh,
the
wow.
river. Look at it.
Yep, sure enough.
All the walls.
pretty
are
cool.
folded in.
All right, well, we are leaving Port Galveston, Texas, y'all. All right, we'll see you in a bit. We gotta go put our stuff up and get ready for dinner.
Good evening, everybody. Welcome to the theater. Buonasera, signore e signori. Welcome to the Regal Princess. How is everybody feeling tonight? We are sailing out of Texas, and ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you one thing. This morning was very chilly, but we are getting to Mexico, and we're expecting weather over 70, almost 80. So how do you feel right now? Because we're sailing out of Texas, and I absolutely love Texas. I need every single one of you to go, yeah! Because we won the world of Mexico. Damas y caballeros, I need all of you to go, hola! Hola! There you go, you speak Spanish already. You will be eating more than 10 meals a day. You'll be visiting amazing destinations. You'll be going to Cozumel, you'll be going to Belize, you'll be going to Costa Maya. And you don't have to unpack. Just once. You don't need to pack once again. Unless you're going home. You'll be served by the most amazing crew, always with a smile, giving you great service. And the best thing, you don't need to cook, you don't need to clean, you don't need to do anything. We will take care of all of it. So I'll be filming right now. When I come back, go wild and crazy. And I always send this video to my family in the WhatsApp group chat. And my mama loves to watch it. So go wild and crazy, but don't do it for me. Do it for my mama. It's late at night in Italy. She probably is already at the second bottle of wine. I'll see you in 10 seconds. Ciao. Guys, can you switch off my microphone 1 second? I need to go to the toilet. Oh, you cannot. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the first night on board the Regal Princess. Please welcome to the stage all the way from Italy, your host, your cruise director, Giuseppe!
Ciao!
fantastic. Thank you so much for that. You're way better than the people I had here 5 seconds ago. Now, I traveled far. I come from a small town called the Taormina in Sicily. And when I first arrived in Houston, Texas, I was super excited. I love Texas. The first thing I did when I landed in Texas, I got myself some boots.
Yeah.
And then I went to Buc-ee's. I got myself a t-shirt. And then I stopped at Whataburger. If you know, you know. And if you don't know, you've never been to Texas. And then I went to a little place called Italy, Texas, because I thought it was cool. There's nothing, but anyway, it's in Italy. And then I spent the whole flight learning some Texan because I wanted to feel part of Texas. I wanted you to feel welcome. So the whole flight, I learned this one sentence. Help me with this. Howdy, y'all.
Howdy.
Yes. I know it's not good, but it's okay. You teach me Texan, I'll teach you Italian, French, Spanish, German, Portuguese, or anything you want to learn. It's fine. When I said howdy y'all the first time, this lady looked at me, she went, oh, bless your heart. I guess that means she likes me. She never responded to my Facebook request. Anyway, tonight is all about magic, illusions, comedy, with the fantastic Sanders and Allison in Magica. Enjoy the show. Ciao, y'all.
Do that.
Welcome here, the beautiful Regal Princess. So, are you ready for magic?
Yeah.
All right, by my accent, you understand I come all the way from Alabama, correct? No, of course, you understand I'm not from Alabama. Guess where I'm from?
Italy.
Who said Japan here? I know Japan, all right. No, I come all the way from Florence, Firenze, Italy.
Bello, bello.
And like Giuseppe, what he said, we have many different nationalities. How many of you they are from Texas here? And just the way he teach you ciao, you just take out the C's, yow, so it's perfect. So ladies, we have many bands here. Hi, look at here, the strong man. Hi, what's your name?
Ross.
Ross, where are you from, Ross?
San Antonio.
You forget. Oh, Ross, come here from San Antonio. Come on, Ross. Oh, Ross from San Antonio, Texas. Whoa. Wow, you're very strong. Nice. We love Italiana. Ciao. And may I have your hand like this? Good. Do this. Do this. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. No, no. Keep going. Yes, exactly. That's what they need. I love you.
Oh my Lord.
And my wife, she's very jealous. Wow. So, Rochelle from Arizona, I want you to stand here, right face to the theater. Don't move, Rochelle, and lift your right hand like this. Stay like this, don't move. Don't put down the hand, okay? So, wow, Rochelle from Arizona, beautiful, good. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to go on with the show. For the next illusion, I need a volunteer. Anyone want to come here? Oh, Rochelle! She's spontaneous. I love you. Come on. Come here on stage. And everybody, can you give me a round of applause for Rochelle? It is a real knife. I know. Is it a real knife? Yes, is it good? Where is Rob? Come here. Yeah, the strong man. I want you, no, stay there, just a second, over there. You hold this with the 2 hands above your head, you very bad. Ah! Look at Rochelle, eh? Okay, good. Both hands squeezed. Ah! Very good. Oh, he's very bad. Wait a second. Thank you very much. Okay, Rob, you can go and sit down. Don't worry. So now if something happened, go back, now we have the guilty guy. Thank you. Oh, are you ready? We have to do this, don't worry. I'm a professional magician. I do this at the least twice, so don't worry. All right, go on. Wait, I help you, otherwise it will be a disaster. You have a new haircut. Good. Over there, a little bit more, don't worry. Like a home, you know, ready. Okay, so do like this. It's fine. It's good? Good. So now I can talk for another 20 minutes. Not joking. All right, now time to go on. I will never thinking about to use the knife. I'm not crazy. Don't worry. I'm not crazy magician. I will use this. Oh, what did you say? It's not real? Come on, touch it. Come on, it's metal. Yeah, you can touch it. Come on. Come on, sir. Touch it. No, I'm joking. Oh, you go on. I'm a magician. I know how to cut my wife in two. The problem is put the head together. So, all right. It's time to go on. Okay, sorry. Let's put this just in case. Just in case we have a problem. No, we just go. Something fall down. We go to medical instantly. No problem. So, Benna, what you doing here? You just forget the guy from the last show. All this, nobody see. Don't worry. I'm professional. Good. Time to go on. You want me to do this? Yes or no?
Yes!
Yes, sir. Or no? Yes.
Sorry,
Rochelle, what you do to these people? Just the first day. Imagine at the end, maestro, musica. Don't worry. I'm very calm. This is the hard part. Yes, she is. Oh, wow! You know what? Now we are all disappointed right now. All right, take the weapon. Thank you very much. Rochelle, she's very lucky. At least tonight was very good. Okay, don't move your hair. 1 and 2. Ladies and gentlemen, put the hands together for the braveness and the kindness of our beautiful Rochelle.